just dropped.
Ecom is a more efficient way to make money. Now, traditionally speaking, people used to make money and then just go put it right in the bank. The bank is then gonna take that money and they're gonna loan it out to someone for a high interest rate. So the bank is making money off of your money. Now look, all while this is happening, inflation is going on, meaning that that same money is getting worth less value over time. Now the bank, they're able to actually keep up with inflation because they're getting interest, but you're not. You're losing if you're leaving your money just sitting in the bank. Additionally, the inflation rate is about 3% per year, but currently, as I'm shooting this video, inflation is probably at about 10%, maybe even higher. You need to figure out a different way, and the best way and the most efficient way is e-commerce. It's a business that operates on its own and it brings a higher yield than the stock market and at a faster rate. And when you work with the team at Solid Ecom Automation, it's hands off. We do all the work for you. We have the supplier relationships. We pick the best products, US brands. We do all the data analysis. We know exactly how many units a month these products are selling. We know how much revenue they're driving. We have all the warehouses. We have the purchasing agents. We have it all. So book a call with the team at Solid Ecom Automation. Let's get you making a lot more money than having your money sitting in the bank. And let's get on a winning streak. Let's go book a call. Talk to you soon.